So what do you think for the very first time when a guy sees a girl, what is the first thing he sees in her?
They like to see their body first.
Nothing really. Her dressing sense.
Maybe her look or her figure with nice shape of the body and looking beautiful. Immediately, they get attracted.
I don't really know. I think her hair and her shoes.
Her face or her hair or eyes, facial
Facial
parts.
features.
Yes.
He continuously looks at her and he's like, he just stares her and she smiles and everything.
Depend on the man.
Her face probably. Yeah.
Face? Yeah. So that's really a clean answer. So what do you think? India is a safer country for you all?
Yeah.
Not really, no.
I think 50% safe. After 10:30, 11, it's not safe for a girl to be alone.
Still, Bombay is a safer place than any other country, honestly speaking.
That is so.
Mumbai is a very safe city as per my understanding. It's a very safe city for women.
Rapist is not a country specific, city specific. That bastard will be everywhere.
Yeah, maybe that fear will come definitely.
But which fear? Like the fear of animals or the human being animals?
Human being animals.
It's like a disease. It can happen to any person irrespective of the caste and breed.
If I'm in Delhi and if I'm walking on the road or if I'm walking on the footpath and so those things will be running in my mind that suddenly some guy will stop me or they're gonna hammer me with something on my car or on my head. Anything could
Because
happen.
they're too aggressive.
Too aggressive, yes.
I will never allow my daughter to go by bus. I will prefer her if she goes by train, it's fine, or auto. But I won't allow her to go by bus. The reason is like she's not safe much in the bus. And most of the crowd are so more with the dirty minds,
In Metro City, there are so many villagers are there. They are living over here alone. So maybe because of that or because of that pressure and all, rape cases are increasing.
What do you think our government can do? Which can actually eradicate rape?
It's a very the question which you have asked, answer is too long actually.
Yeah, educate people, sex education.
We should be more aware about self-defense technique.
The patrolling should be happening a lot.
Set up CCTV cameras everywhere.
They've done it? Anything new?
Really? I haven't seen it anywhere.
So according to Sikhism, while we are wearing a kirpan, it's for a self-defense for self and to help other. It's called kirpan. Kirpan An Ban Shan.
They had made this gun in remembrance of Nirbhaya. It was called the Nirbhik, so that women could protect themselves against rape, but it was priced at 1.5 lakh. Now, a woman who can afford a gun worth 1.5 lakh is not going to roam around in an area where she can be raped. So either make those anti-rape weapons cheap enough.
You mean to say you never trust the cops?
No, never.
Learn taekwondo, stay away from secluded areas, travel in a group because like lesser chances for being. Carry a pepper spray.
Honestly, I don't think you can guarantee safety anyway. So you just teach your kids what they could do if they get into a situation, how to handle it.
So what would be the last message that you would like to give to the youth of the country? कि भाई देखो जो करना है करो बस ये मत करो.
मैं एक मैसेज देना चाहता हूँ. मैं रोडी सेक्स फॉर कंटेस्टेंट हूँ एंड वीमेन एम्पावरमेंट के लिए इस बार हमने बहुत ट्राई किया था कि वीमेन एम्पावरमेंट का मैसेज MTV पे एंड इंडिया के ऑडियंस को दिखाएं और हमने इस बार बहुत ट्राई किया है.
Please teach your children to respect the ladies and women and think that those women are also somebody's daughter or somebody's mother or somebody's friend.
I mean, 21st century people get over all these stupid issues, yaar. I mean, you can have your girlfriend. What is rape? Why do you have to rape a girl? I mean, come on. Just imagine your sister and what if happens to your sister. I mean, I actually, did one of my friend. He was actually taunting a girl. I said, dude, do you know? I mean, what if she's your sister? Then what would happen? What would be your reaction? He just got hired. तूने मेरी बहन को ऐसे कैसे बोल दिया? मैंने चूतिया तेरी बहन है तो वो दूसरों की बहन नहीं है वो.
When I see our youth of the country, I feel a little proud that they are a little educated. So be a little more educated. And if you want to have sex or if you want to try to flirt with someone, be a man enough to go up to a woman and ask for it. Don't need to go sleazy comments or anything or try to woo her with some other tactics of yours.
मैं बताना चाहूँगा बस रिस्पेक्ट दो विमेंस को. अपनी माँ बहन की नज़र से देखो, अपने फ्रेंड की नज़र से देखो, दूसरा कोई उनको मतलब उस तरह से मत देखो. That's it.